here's how you're going to break the habit of that. You'll just go in small, just like you had to break the mentality to start trading the way you're trading now. Now you'll go one contract. Or if you have a margin account, you can short one share, right? Do something very, very, very small. Now, I would recommend two, just because remember, we can at least shave one as it goes. But it's the same thing. It's just the psychology of it. But to put your training wheels on until you're comfortable trading up or down, put your training wheels on and actually get your hands dirty and get in there and do it. There's no other way than to just do it. Those of you that don't have accounts that can warrant you using the real money, I never recommend using real money. Ted, you could buy 2 contracts of SPY. Your risk will be maybe $100, right? Go small, go way out of the money. Just to get you guys inside of there. You could buy $50 contracts, 2 of them, right? If you guys are trading the EWO, look at this. See your signal here? Boom. So if you guys are not doing that, you're already cherry picking the trades, right? So you're missing out. So this one you got to go up, all right? This one you got to go down. So you're missing, and you got the smaller one than the larger one because you're picking which one you want, right?
Because I'm cherry picking, if it does decide on a direction and I'm not in that direction, then I've really lost some money.
Well, yeah, your only success is one way. So you're missing half of everything, right?
Exactly, coach.
Yeah, there's just so much to that. And that also means you guys can never do straddles.